So the formula that you need for this one is that the Kelvin temperature is equal to the degree C temperature plus 273. So if you're trying to work this out in Kelvin, then you've got to take the degree C temperature, which is 100, and add 273, which gets you 373. And likewise, the other formula that you're going to need is this one, minus 273, and if you substitute 77 into here and work it out, you get minus 196. For the second part of the question, you have to draw a graph. Now they've used quite a funny scale on the graph paper, so the first thing that you've got to do is kind of work out what's going on with the scale. So if you look, then 4 of these small scales is equal to 4 small squares is equal to 0.1. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark in all of those now. Okay, so that's 1.4 up there, 1.3, 1.2. Okay, so I'm going to mark in the main ones. And we've also got to work out what's going on with the scale on the x-axis as well. Okay, and you can see that that point there is going to be 25. Okay, so again, 2 of these squares is going to be equal to 10. That's 25 there. That's 50. So that's going to put 80 at that point there. Now it's really difficult to do this on the laptop because the pen's not very well synchronized. So let me have a go at doing that just now. Okay, so those points are about as good as I can get them using the tablet. And as you can see, one of the points is clearly not on the trend line. If you put a ruler through the other points, okay, they do fit reasonably well on a line about that. Obviously, if you're doing this, you're going to use a ruler to do this properly. Your points are allowed to be within, I think it's half a small. No, I think it's 1 small square for this question. So you've got to be accurate with your plotting. And the final thing that the question asks us is use the graph to find the temperature of the gas when the volume is 0. Okay, you can see that's where mine crosses the x-axis, and that's a value of minus 250 degrees centigrade. And again, as long as you're accurate to within 1 square, it's wherever your line crosses your graph that you get the mark for there.